Today we're going to talk about subtracting from hundreds numbers. Our I can statement is I can subtract 3-digit numbers from hundreds numbers through 1,000. Here's an example problem. Mrs. Kowal bought 400 stickers for the second grade students. I'm going to circle 400. She gives 253 of them away. Circle 253. So how many stickers does she have left over? If I make a math mountain, the top number is 400. That's how many stickers Mrs. Kowal has at the beginning. She gives 253 of them away, and we need to find the missing add-in. If I use a proof drawing and represent 400, I can't take away tens and ones because there aren't any. I need to ungroup. I ungroup 100, and I have 10 tens. Now I need to ungroup a 10 for 10 ones. This is still showing 400. I ungrouped 100 to get 10 tens, ungroup a 10 to get 10 ones. Now if I subtract, I'm going to take away 3 ones, 5 tens, and 2 hundreds. Whatever's left over will show me my missing add-in. I have 100, 4 tens, 5, 6, 7, and 7 ones. I can also use the standard algorithm. 400 minus 253. More on the floor. Go next door. Oh, nobody's home. Have to go over to our neighbor, the 100. Ungroup 100 to make 3 hundreds and 10 tens. Ungroup a 10 to make 9 tens and 10 ones. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. 147, 147. Here's another problem. A teacher buys 400 erasers for his students. I'm going to put that at the top of the math mountain. He gives 252 of them away. How many erasers does he have? If I'm showing 400 minus 252, if I use the show all totals, I'm going to ungroup 100, so I have 300 plus 10 tens plus 0. I ungroup the 100, so that's 90 and 10 ones. 300 plus 90 plus 10 minus, now I'm going to use expanded form, 200 plus 50 plus 2. Now I subtract. 10 minus 2 is 8, plus 90 minus 50 is 40, plus 300 minus 200 is 100. When I put that together, it's 148. I will check with the standard algorithm. 400 minus 252. I go next door. No one's home. I go to the hundreds, ungroup 100, 3 hundreds, and 10 tens. Ungroup a 10, there's 9 tens and 10 ones. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. 148 is the missing add-in. Now I can also do this from 1,000. 1,000 is equal to 10 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 hundredths. We represent this with a 1,000 bar. If I'm subtracting from 1,000, I do the same thing. I just go over one more. 1,000 minus 250, I draw my 1,000 bar. I have to ungroup. So that's 10 hundredths when I ungroup. I need to ungroup 100 for 10 ones, 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And because I'm not taking any ones away, I don't need to ungroup. Now I will take away 5, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, 2 hundreds, and I see what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, and 0 ones. 750. When I practice on check this with the standard algorithm, I go next door all the way to the thousands. That becomes 0 thousands and 10 hundreds. Ungroup the 10 hundreds to make it 9 hundreds and 10 tens. 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. And we don't have any thousands. So it's 750 is the same amount. So you can always check with another strategy. Whenever you take away from hundreds, you have to go all the way over to the hundreds to ungroup. And if you have 1,000, you go all the way over to the thousands to ungroup.